Hi everyone, today we will discuss about degree mathematics. Degree mathematics, first semester, differential equations of first order and first degree. Differential equations of first order and first degree. First of all, definition of a differential equation. Differential equation. Definition of a differential equation. An equation which contains derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables. Is called a differential equation. చూడండి, an equation which contains derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. The definition of differential equation is an equation which contains derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables is called a differential equation. Next, ordinary differential equation. An equation which contains ordinary derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to only one independent variable. Ordinary differential equation definition: an equation which contains ordinary derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to only one independent variable. Is called ordinary differential equation. The difference between differential equation and ordinary differential equation. An equation which contains a derivative of one or more dependent variables with respect to one or more independent variables. For example, dy by dx plus dz by dx plus dx by dy is equal to 0. Now, y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. Y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. Now, z is dependent variable, x is independent variable. Now, x is dependent variable, y is independent variable. From this equation, one or more dependent variables, y, z, x, those are the dependent variables, and x, y, those are the independent variables. So this is differential equation. Now, ordinary differential equation: an equation which contains ordinary derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to only one independent variable. With respect to only one independent variable. With respect to only one independent variable. For example, dy by dx plus dz by dx plus dt by dx is equal to 0. From the differential equation, y is the dependent variable, z is dependent variable, and t is dependent variable. Those are one or more dependent variables, but x is only independent variable. Independent variable is only x. This is the ordinary differential equation. This is the ordinary differential equation. An equation which contains ordinary derivatives of one or more dependent variables with respect to only one independent variable. Only one independent variable. Those are dependent variables. Only x is a dependent variable. So the difference between differential equation and ordinary differential equation. The difference between ordinary differential equation and differential equations. So next, for example, y square is equal to 4ax. Y square is equal to 4ax. Now differentiate x on both sides. 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a. That implies y into dy by dx is equal to 4a by 2. 2 ones, 2 twos. Y into dy by dx is equal to 2a. Now dy by dx is equal to 2a by y. Now dy by dx minus 2a by y is equal to 0. This is the differential equation. This is the differential equation. Y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Y is the dependent variable and x is the independent variable. Now again differentiate on both sides. Again differentiation on both sides. Now 2 into y into uv formula. U into v dash d square y by dx square plus v into u dash t by dx. Common 2 on both sides. 2 into y d square y by dx, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx whole square. This is also another differential equation. This is also one differential equation. This is also another differential equation. In this differential equation, y is dependent variable and x is independent variable. X is independent variable. Now let us see next topic, order and degree. Order and degree. Order and degree. Order of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation. Degree of a differential equation. Order of a differential equation and degree of a differential equation. First of all, order of a differential equation. What is the order of a differential equation? For example, d square y by dx square plus dy by dx is equal to 0. In this differential equation, order of the differential equation is 2. Order of the differential equation is 2. The highest derivative in the differential equation. The highest derivative in the differential equation is order of a differential equation. The highest derivative in the differential equation is called a order of the differential equation. Order of the differential equation. Now the degree of a differential equation. Now the degree of a differential equation. The degree of highest differential equation is the degree of highest derivative of the equation. The degree of highest derivative of the differential equation. The degree of highest derivative of the differential equation is the degree of the differential equation. The degree of highest derivative. Degree of highest derivative. So highest derivative is 2. Degree of highest derivative is 1. In this case, order is equal to 2. Degree is equal to 1. Order is equal to 2. Degree is equal to 1. Some examples. First example. D power 4y by dx power 4 plus sin of d square y by dx square is equal to 0. Example. Find the order and degree of the differential equation. Now let's see. In this differential equation, the highest order of the differential equation is 4. The highest order of the differential equation is 4. So order is 4. Order is 4. Next, the degree of highest derivative is 1. The degree of highest derivative is 1. So degree is 1, but in this differential equation, sin x, cos x, some types of trigonometric functions, so there is no degree. Do not define a degree. Not defined. But why? Sin of d square y by dx square value does not exist. Sin of d square y by dx square value unknown. So in this differential equation, degree is not defined. Degree is not defined. Next example 2. Next example. D square y by dx square is equal to square root of 1 plus dy by dx. Square root of 1 plus dy by dx whole square. So let's see. In this differential equation, find the order and degree of the differential equation. Find the order and degree of the differential equation. In this differential equation, RHS side has a root. RHS side has a root. So squaring on both sides, d square y by dx square whole square is equal to square root cancel. So we find 1 plus dy by dx whole square. This is the required differential equation. In this differential equation, order is the highest derivative of the differential equation is 2. So order is 2. So order is 2. Order is 2. Now the degree of the differential equation is degree of highest derivative. Degree of highest derivative 2. So degree is 2. So degree is 2. Order of the differential equation is 2. Degree of the differential equation is 2. Next.